In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft Teams like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to teams.microsoft.com. This is where you'll begin your journey into Microsoft Teams. When you arrive at the website, you'll find a sign-in option waiting for you. Ensure that you have your Microsoft account details handy because you'll need to sign in using these credentials. If you haven't set up a Microsoft account yet, make sure to do so first, as it is essential for accessing your Teams workspace. Once you're signed in, you're ready to explore the many features that Microsoft Teams offers. Let's move on to the next step, accessing the Chat tab. Over on the left sidebar of the interface, you'll notice a range of options for different functionalities. Among these, locate and click on the one labeled Chat. This area is your go-to section for all things communication within Teams. It's like a central communications hub where you can engage in conversations, share updates, and collaborate seamlessly with your colleagues or friends. You'll find it so easy and intuitive to reach out and maintain productive interactions here. Now, let's focus on finding or joining a chat within Microsoft Teams. Suppose someone has already sent you a message. In this case, any ongoing chats will show up automatically in the list within the Chat tab. It's designed to be really straightforward. Messages are organized neatly so you can easily see who reached out and what the conversation is about. When you spot the chat you want to jump into, simply click on it to open the full conversation thread. This action will allow you to view all previous messages and provide you with an opportunity to reply. It's a great and efficient way to keep up with the latest updates and continue any previous discussions you might have had. As you start interacting, you'll notice how user-friendly the response features are. You can send text messages, share files, and even implement emojis or GIFs to add a bit of personality to your conversations. Don't hesitate to explore these features. They're there to make your chat experience more engaging and effective. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly sign into Microsoft Teams, access your chat area, and join existing conversations. Mastering these basics will enhance not just your productivity, but also your engagement with team members. Make sure to get comfortable navigating these aspects of Microsoft Teams, and you'll be communicating like a seasoned expert in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting!